Okay, let's talk about something huge that affects millions of us every day: poor sleep. That's how many Americans suffer from a chronic sleep disorder. It's a staggering number, really.
And it's not just about being sleepy. This is a hidden epidemic that seriously impacts our health.
It's wild, right? And get this, up to 90% of adults with these issues go undiagnosed. So, what does poor sleep even mean? Well, it really boils down to two main things. You're either not getting enough sleep, or the sleep you're getting just isn't good quality. First up, the physical toll. Poor sleep is directly linked to obesity, and here's why. Basically, less sleep messes with your hormones, making you feel hungrier than you actually are. And it doesn't stop there. Poor sleep is also a major risk factor for diabetes. Just look at these numbers. Sleeping 5 hours or less, your diabetes risk jumps 2.5 times. Your heart is at risk too. Less sleep means a much higher chance of heart disease. How much higher? A whopping 45% increased risk of heart attack if you sleep 5 hours or less. And here's the twist. It's not just too little sleep. Too much can also be a problem. That 7-hour mark seems to be the sweet spot. Go too far either way, and the risk goes up. Okay, so that's the physical side, but poor sleep also takes a huge toll on our mental health. There's a medical term for this: comorbidity. It's when two conditions exist and influence each other. And the link is clear. If you have a history of insomnia, you're more likely to develop a psychiatric disorder. How much more likely? Nearly 4 times more likely to develop major depression. That's huge. So the takeaway is simple. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's a fundamental pillar of our health. It's just as important as what you eat or how you exercise. Definitely something to sleep on.